So you say hello and ask, how are you? Can we talk? Actually, I was feeling bored, so I thought we should talk. Hello everyone, my name is Inder and welcome back. Today I will give you a one tip. And this is the best way to practice speaking English at home. Let me tell you how it works better. You should consider yourself as two characters in whatever situation you are at home. That is, what you are doing or thinking. The trick is question yourself, answer yourself. So now there are two characters, you and another person, who could be your friend, cousin, colleague, or a stranger. Now you can engage in a conversation. For better results, you can record yourself so that you can correct your own mistakes. So how can we practice at home? So you can practice like this. For example, you are sitting on a bus and feeling bored. Well, everyone has a smartphone, no one gets bored. Just for example, someone is sitting in the seat next to you. You start talking to them. Remember, you are playing two characters. With this in mind, you prepare yourself. Whenever such situations happen to you, you will not hesitate. So you say hello and ask, how are you? Can we talk? Actually, I was feeling bored, so I thought we should talk. You can start the conversation like this and you can practice anytime whenever you are free. You can talk about whatever is currently going on. You can talk about any movie or anything else. So in this way you can practice how to talk to another person. And that person can be your siblings, friend, or even boss. So be prepared yourself for every situation. टॉपिक तो बहुत मिल जाएंगे, आप इस वे से प्रैक्टिस तो करो. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. If yes, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep practicing. See you soon.